So in this Keynote tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to edit the y-axis as a percentage point on a Keynote presentation. So once Keynote's opened up, go to the top here and just add a chart to your design. So for this demonstration, I'll just use this chart right here as an example. Now if you want to change the y-axis to where all the numbers have a percentage point beside it, press on the graph right here. Make sure that the axis button is selected. So if chart selected, for example, press on axis. Make sure the y-axis is selected just like this. Scroll down to where it says value numbers and simply just go ahead and press on percentage right here. Now, as you can tell, my percentages are quite high. You can change the separator right here. You can increase the decimal point. You can decrease the decimal points. Whatever the case may be, it is completely up to you. But now all the labels right here on the y-axis will be a percentage. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to edit the y-axis as a percentage on a Keynote presentation. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.